What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a calendar in Smartsheet. So first of all, as you can see here, I've created an account on Smartsheet. All you need to do is to go to their website, that's smartsheet.eu, or simply search on Google for Smartsheet and go ahead and create an account using your email. I've set up an account with my email. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Once you enter your email, your name, you confirm your email and stuff like that, you'll be redirected to the project creation widget. So here in this page, I'll start by entering the name of the project. Let's name it test. And here I need to choose a view. Let's choose a grid view for now. Continue. And now let's add tasks. Here I have a grid view. Let's say urgent task 1 and task 2, let's say urgent task 2. And you can also skip this step if you want to, however, I'll just continue with it. Now add subtask under the urgent task, let's say buy milk. So buy flour, let's say the urgent task 1 is creating or baking a cake. So once I buy milk and buy flour, the urgent task 1 is created, which is buying the ingredients. Now add reports. You can add reports here if you want to. Now add a dashboard and then build your project. Now your project is now being built. Now here I'm on the main project dashboard right here. If I go to the task sheet, I can view all the tasks here in a grid view. Now all the tasks and subtasks are assigned to me with the allocation, the start date and health. All is set up right now. Now in my grid view, to add a calendar, simply add a calendar view or choose a calendar view from this drop down menu. So if I click on calendar view, I can display only dates in this column, like date display options. I can display start date or display the date range. I'll choose to display the date range. Okay. And now, as you can see, all my tasks here and subtasks are viewed here in the calendar view. So if I click on a task, the buy milk, for example, let's double click on it. I can open it. I can edit the start and the due date. Let's make the due date a bit closer. So let's click on the calendar icon. Let's move it here to the 5th of June, for example. Okay, and as you can see, the end date has changed. And you can also drag here the start and end date on the calendar view here to manually edit the end and start date. So let's make it from the 4th to the 5th of June, for example. And if I scroll down here, I can scroll through the dates available and I can click on any date here that has, of course, has a task to view the task itself.